Hey everyone, Flo Thompson here from Effortless Ecom, and I want to show you today how we can make our online stores look so much nicer by just copying what the greats are doing. And in this case, I screenshotted Nike and Alo Yoga. If you don't know them, Nike, I'm pretty sure you know. Alo is doing yoga wear, and I think they're doing lifestyle wear now too. But what I want to show you is the difference in terms of pricing. And as you can see, if I zoom in, we don't see any decimal numbers. It's just the whole number. It looks really nice, no currency format. Then we have the same for Alo, same format, but now if we take a look at what we get from Shopify out of the box, we see the decimals and we see the currency code. Now it's actually very easy to have this look exactly like this within Shopify itself. You don't have to know anything how to code. So I'm going to show you. Let's switch over to our Shopify dashboard. To get the prices exactly how we want them to look, we have to split it into two separate sections. First, we're going to remove the currency code, being the USD, and then we're actually going to remove the decimals. To remove the currency codes, we just want to go into the customizer of our theme. I'm in our demo store right now. I'm going to click customize, and I'm going to scroll so we can see the product. Now, this is a product. You can watch the USD change in real time. To do that, we want to go into the store settings, the theme settings, I'm sorry. So top left, click this icon, and then we scroll down, and then you should see a setting called currency format. And in here, we have the option to select or deselect the show currency codes. In this case, I'm gonna deselect it, and then we should see it disappear right here. Perfect. We hit save, and that was step one. Now let's actually remove the the decimals. For this, we wanna go back into the actual online store, to the dashboard, and we wanna go into the store settings. Now in the store settings, we want to go to store details where we already are, and then store currency. And you can click change formatting. And now we can type in here. You should see HTML without currency and with currency. Quick overview. With currency meaning if we didn't deselect what we just did in the customizer, then this is what's being shown. And if we deselected, then this is what's being shown. So if you never want to show decimals, you can make the edits to both of these. Just keep the USD, that's automatically going to replace by Shopify. In this case, we want to add no decimals. And I copy it and I paste it down here. We hit save. And once we refresh, all right, did you see what just happened? I can actually do it again, but if you see it, our price is $19.99 and it now rounded it up to 20. And I did this on purpose because I wanted to show you that if you have a lot of products, you can still charge decimal prices, but Shopify now automatically rounds up or down the prices depending on if it's, the rounding rules, if it's above 50 or below. It's gonna do the rounding for us, so you don't have to go into it and modify all the prices now to be whole numbers. It can still be decimal prices. Shopify will round it and then automatically now charge the 20 though. So a customer will never see the $19.99 again. Shopify will now just treat it as if it was just the $20. And it's a very easy fix. And if you just want to revert it, you can always go back and then remove the no decimal part. So it just says amount. And don't forget to click save. When I preview it again, we should see the $19.99, and there it is. I hope you find this helpful. I added it in the description. I edited the actual code, so you don't have to type it out or pause the video. Just copy paste the code from down there and you should get the exact same results. If you enjoy this, we have a newsletter where once a week I send a tip like this to everyone that's following, actionable Shopify tips for small business owners. And of course, like and subscribe. That would help us a lot. Thank you so much and happy selling.